Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to briefly introduce what is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is like building with Legos. Objects. Imagine each Lego brick is an object. It has properties like color and size, and can do things like connect to other bricks. Classes. A blueprint that tells you how to make a specific type of object, like instructions for a Lego car. Methods. These are the actions an object can take, like drive for a car object. Inheritance. You can create new blueprints based on old ones. A race car blueprint might inherit from the basic car blueprint, adding features like a spoiler. Now that we have briefly introduced what is object-oriented programming, let's move on to some key concepts. Encapsulation, keeping the object's inner workings hidden, like the inside of a Lego brick. Abstraction, simplifying things by only showing the necessary details. You don't need to know how the Lego brick is molded, just how to use it. Polymorphism, the same action can have different effects on different objects. Drive does different things for a car and a plane. Now that we have discussed object-oriented programming key concepts, let's explore why you would use object-oriented programming. Organization makes code easier to understand and maintain. Reusability, you can reuse objects and classes in different projects. Flexibility, easier to adapt and change code over time. Think of object-oriented programming as a way to organize and structure your code by creating reusable blueprints, classes, for objects, each with their own properties and actions. Thank you so much for sticking around for this brief intro to what is object-oriented programming. Please like if this video was helpful. Subscribe for more. See you next time.